Hello guys, it's that time of week again, and tonight I'll be applauding the NHS and key workers by lighting this 8-shot Dum Bum candle. As last week's fireworks were well received, I decided to go bigger and louder this time, and this gives green tips to booming titanium salute bursts. These are flash heavy with an NEC count of 46.4 grams, and I can't wait to light the fuse on this. So like always, thank you for watching, and I'll post up another video soon.